Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy and solo Benny/F1 merge glitch that you can do right now on GTA 5 Online. So, this is how you go ahead and do the solo Benny/F1 merge glitch in GTA. Requirements. Now, there will be 3 requirements you will need for this Benny/F1 merge glitch, and the first one is to get yourself a bunker. You can find that at Maze Bank foreclosures. The second requirement you will need is going to be an auto shop. You can also find it at Maze Bank foreclosures. And the final requirement you will need is a donor car. If you don't know what a donor car is or don't know how to get one, watch this video up here on how to make your own donor car. Once you have it, come back to this video to merge them. And those are going to be all the requirements, and now let's get into it. Step 1. The first step you will need to go ahead and do is head over to your own bunker. Now, once you're at your bunker, all you want to do is go and walk in and walk out. But once you go and walk in and then walk out, all you want to do now is head over to your auto shop wherever it's located at, and I'll meet you guys there. Now, once you arrive over at your auto shop, all you want to do now is go ahead and walk inside. And once you walk inside, you want to go and check on one thing, and that is to see if you have a service vehicle. Now, for me, I already have 2 service vehicles, so I'm good. But if you don't have any service vehicles at all you have to do is wait about 48 minutes until one spawns in for you. Next step, head over to your donor car and make sure it's inside of your auto shop as well. And once you're at your donor car, you want to go and do one thing, and that is to go and register yourself up as a CEO, MC, or a VIP. One of those 3 right there. Once you register yourself up as one of those 3, all you want to do is go ahead and get into your car, and once inside of your car, go and call up Tony. Once you call him up, you will see this right here, nightclub management. Go and click on it and request the job. Once you do, immediately press right D-pad, and that will take you into the auto shop. Now, don't do anything, just wait a few seconds and it should teleport you back into the garage just like this. Once you've been teleported back into the garage, make sure you have that timer right down there, and if you do see it, go and get out the vehicle and head over to one of those service vehicles. Once you arrive at one of those 2 service vehicles, all you want to do is go and walk up to it, the one that you like, and go and press right D-pad on it, and you will see the vehicle is now modded. Now, if you do want to go and mod a second vehicle, just go ahead and head over to your second service vehicle, do the same exact thing, press right D-pad on it, and that service vehicle should also be modded just like this. So now that you have the vehicle modded, all you have to do now is go ahead and wait for that timer to go ahead and finish. So pretty much once it's 0 seconds, we can continue. So I'll just go and cut to the part when the timer does finish. And here we go, the timer is about to finish, and there we go, it's done. So once the job is finished now, all you want to do is walk up to the service car that you modded and go ahead and buy the vehicle, and go ahead and put it into any one of your garages. Now for me, I'm gonna put it into the new 50 car garage, and I'm gonna head over to it to show you guys right now that is modded. And here you guys go. As you can see, it is fully modded and everything is on it. And if you do want to check out a modded account a subscriber gave me for free, then watch this video right here and take care.